Here we're going to complete the table of values for the following equation, y equals 3x. Notice here in the table of values, we do have some of our values, but some are missing. So you're going to have to use what you know to find out what you don't know. We'll start by plugging in a -1 for x to see what we get out for y. So in the original equation, we're going to remove the x and replace it with -1. When we do so, it's going to look like so. 3 times -1 equals -3. So y equals -3. This means when we plug in a -1 for x, what we get out for y is a -3. Next, we're going to plug in a 0 for y. So we're going to remove the y and replace it with a 0. When we do so, it's going to look like so. To solve this equation for x, we need to divide by 3. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. And anytime you have 0 on top, it equals 0. So in this case, x equals 0, which means when you plug in a 0 for y, what you get out for x is a 0. Lastly, we're going to plug in a -9 in y's place. So we're going to remove the y and replace it with -9. When we do so, it's going to look like so. To solve for x here, we need to divide both sides by 3. And a -9 divided by a +3 equals a -3. So x equals -3, which means when we plug in a -9 for y, what we get out for x is a -3. And now we've completed our table of values.